it's Doug from Doug Hewson YouTube with another YouTube news flash. It's just a quick one today. Premieres has rolled out to pretty much every channel there is. So if you're a current content creator, you should have access to Premieres now. So if you want to know more information, the first thing I've got for you guys is a card up here somewhere to the YouTube Creator Academy channel, where they just did a quick walkthrough on how you could use Premieres, just like the nuts and bolts of how you upload a video, activate Premieres, and talk you through what happens. So make sure you check that out first of all if it's your first time to deal with Premieres. And the reason why we know that it's rolled out to all channels is because today Susan, the CEO of YouTube, did her quarterly creator blog post, and in that she mentioned Premieres rolling out to everyone. Let me just have a quick read of that for you right now. So since we announced Premieres this summer, creators have been using this new feature to generate more views, more engagement, and more revenue for their channel. And goes on with some examples. And then at the bottom of that whole section, if I can scroll down to it, says, I'm happy to announce that Premieres is now available to all creators. So it's official from the mouth of Susan at YouTube. Premieres is all yours. Now, how do you use Premieres for good and not for evil? Well, there's a question for you. There's a video about that I want to point you to up in the cards right now from Brian G. Johnson, giving some suggestions on ways you should consider using Premieres to maximize its oomph on your channel. So I encourage you all to check that out. Look at the videos that I've suggested. They'll give you more information about Premieres, and we hope to see you with some more content on this channel later this week. This is Doug from Doug Hewson YouTube, and I'll catch you later.